In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your 3D workspace with ease using the essential camera controls: Orbit, Pan, and Dolly. Mastering these actions will significantly enhance your workflow by allowing you to view your scene from any angle and distance. Whether you're crafting a complex 3D model, adjusting the details of a scene, or simply inspecting your work, having control over these camera movements is crucial. Let's begin with orbiting. Orbiting is your key to rotating the camera around your scene or a specific object. Imagine standing at the center of a sculpture exhibition and you want to see every angle of an artwork. Orbiting allows you to do just that in a digital space. On both Windows and Mac OS systems, you can activate the orbit function by pressing the number 1 on your keyboard. This will enable you to click and drag with the right mouse button to explore around your object, spinning the view in any direction. Next up is panning. Panning allows you to move the camera up and down or side to side. Think of it like sliding across a table to get a better view of what's laid out before you. To pan your camera, press the number 2 on your keyboard. Then, click and drag using the middle mouse button. This lateral movement is so useful when you're working on a specific area of your project and need to shift your focus quickly without altering your zoom or orbit settings. Now, let's talk about dollying. Dollying is akin to moving closer to or farther away from your subject by zooming in a 3D space. It's different from a zoom function you might be familiar with because it doesn't just magnify. It actually shifts your perspective deeper or further out in the virtual scene. You can activate Dolly in a couple of ways, either by pressing the number 3 on your keyboard and using the scroll wheel, or by holding the right mouse button along with a modifier key while dragging. This flexibility makes it easy to zero in on those tiny details or broaden your view to see the whole picture. Here's a handy tip to enhance your navigation. Even while you're using other tools like Select, you can temporarily switch to these camera movements using your mouse shortcuts. So if you're in the middle of selecting objects but need to orbit the camera, just use the right mouse button. If you want to pan, use the middle mouse button. And finally, you can use the scroll wheel for dolly motions. This seamless transition can save you time and keep your workflow smooth and natural. With practice, these camera controls will become second nature, enabling you to explore your 3D scenes effortlessly. So give them a try, and you'll soon find that navigating through your workspace is both intuitive and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy modeling!